Say good morning, it's my birthday.
I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene out. Like I'm ready to bang. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing light, now I'm up ready to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bought a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I hit the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. You ain't know who it, me and Barbie bitch. And I'm back.
Hey guys, today is November 11th and my birthday is in less than a couple hours. And so me and my friends are going to go bowling and celebrate my birthday. And then tomorrow I'm going to dinner. But I thought I'd show y'all my fit. Down. Little Ed Hardy Fashion Nova. You know, very much not tall girl friendly, but I have on these boots. But when I go bowling, I'm definitely going to be flooding. But you know, it's fine. Very blessed to be turning 20 and very excited for this chapter because 19 was not it for real. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna see y'all when we're at the bowling alley. And I hope y'all can't hear all this banging and stuff in the background because these people in the band room. But yeah.
Happy November to the one and only Nene, Life in Need, one of the greatest females I've ever met at Marquette University.
Most amazing person I've ever met in my life. Like, Ania White is just like so spectacular. Like she just lights up like Kellyan's entire world. Mine? Hell no. But his, yeah.
What up, vlog, man? It's the day before Ania's birthday. Really, this bitch turned up. We bowling this shit right now. They think it's a game. To me, it's not a game. I came here just to win. Nothing else. Not for Ania. Just for bragging rights. I came here to win. Damn. Niggas over here hating. What are you talking about, bro? Look at the score, man.
Bro, you only got 15, right?
But that's right now, though. That's right now, though. When the game over, we gonna see who win. It's definitely gonna be me. Type shit.
Vlog, man. Got Ania. Got Kellyan.
What's up?
We got Jordan. We got Jordan here. We got Ricky. We got friend number 1. Yeah. Friend number 2 over there. We got Grace. And yeah, at the end of the day, y'all watch me win, man.
Bro, why are we tied up? Ooh. Look, what is me?
Wait.
Goddamn.
Y'all, it's Kennedy again. And Kanaya is here too. Nia, please.
I just hit 2 strikes and I'm beating everybody.
And we all got on matching outfits. I got on my Ed Hardy shirt. Nia got on her. Yeah, and Kanaya and her fuzzy boots. And I got on my fuzzy purse. And Kanaya got on her fuzzy. Oh, where y'all? Her boots right here.
I had my first
Grace said these big foot. But I'll stop hating. Right. And I got my fuzzy purse. And he hating on us. Why? I have no idea. What you say about her boots? And what's on your feet? Oh.
No.
Oh. Okay. No. We talking about right now, not no.
When that volleyball go at your head, they gonna be funny.
Exactly. Anyways, bye y'all. I'm giving the camera back to Nia.
She thinks she finna get a strike, y'all.
Yeah, now something.
Yo, what's the word, everybody? JB in the cut, you know what I'm saying? Come talk to the people, bro.
What's going on with you, bro?
I don't want it for real. I don't want it.
You hit 2 gutters?
No, cause she wrote for me though.
Ooh.
And then
Crazy work.
I'm good today, but my birthday tomorrow.
Hey, I need everybody in the comments. Drop your favorite color in the comments, bro. For real. Pause the video and go do that right now.
I know that's right.
Best bowl of all time. Never mind. Never mind. How we feeling today? Anything you want to say to the people? Even though, all right, somebody just want to get in the camera, I see. Capping man.
Yo. Yeah. I don't know what she showed y'all earlier, bro. But y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, bro.
Hey guys, and good morning. It's my birthday. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Your girl is 20 years old on November 12th, 2003. Very exciting. Today should be a really good day. I'm on my way to my nail appointment. Low-key running late. I'm gonna get like dip nail gel, just a simple color, and keep it pushing. I actually left my wallet at school, but they take Apple Pay, so that's cool. But like I have like no type of identification right now, which is the problem. But we're gonna get going with our day, and I'm gonna enjoy my birthday, and it's gonna be great. Okay, I'm back from getting my nails did. This is what they're giving. Very much cunty pink. I'm sorry, I'm on that word actually really bad, but yeah. I went to Lobby Nails, which is in Brookfield, and I go there for a dip gel. And that's exactly what this is. Very soft pink, off-white pink. Yeah. But other than that, I am going to Target really quickly for something last minute, and then I'm just gonna head home. What time is it? It's 2:07 and my birthday dinner is at 7 o'clock, so good on time. I'm in Target and I got my birthday drink, venti. This is the iced gingerbread chai oat milk. I butchered it. Them the words, but like not in the right order, but I got that. So let's see. Yeah, I should just stick to my matcha. This is nasty. I came here for some Polaroid film, so that's what I'm gonna get. But this is kind of nasty. I'm at home, but I'm going to leave to get fully ready for my dinner. I know I have to pick up my cake, y'all. It's a lot going on. But my mama snapped. Thing about it, 2 things for sure. With big flat screens, don't play with me. Oh, okay. Yeah, soon. And then I think over Thanksgiving break, I'm gonna like literally rearrange and change my room. Sure, but my room just needs some TLC. I've had the same exact layout since I was like.
The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a store now. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my nicks. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I wasn't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the, yeah. But I'm top, I just pulled up in some fools. I told little mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozing. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you work on I show you my Gucci. I had to sing to this bitch like Lil Tusi. Yeah, yeah, bitch got a backwood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my world, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood now, pick up the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, nee. Only one she got hit at the spin, nee. I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I need she needs just a Glock keep. You rollin' 60, locked in seats. Me rollin' that coupe with a bucket seats. Got her that mud like a football clique. I used to drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. Just stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, from in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the same man, but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these guys wanna love me. Yeah, now wifey didn't know lovey dovey. Yeah, woo, yeah. On me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done up like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
Spinning ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a sick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm women for the kitty, got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas in the coast right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel.
Hold up, wait a minute though. Oh, you in a joke. I get home safely. I didn't say you gotta praise me. Fuck that, you gotta praise me. There's a
You'll never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Cricket think you show me something. Think it like you owe me something. Push it on a feeling like a button. Can't put time for your contact. Still getting ready in the fun.
okay, I'm done with my makeup. It's my lip for me. We're gonna fix her. Please do not mind the lip right now. I just really hope I don't look like a clown. I say that all the time. But hashtag not giving birthday makeup. I know that for a fact. And yeah, we're gonna get into this hair and get with it or get left. Period. It's giving anyway season, anyway era. I'm sorry. This is what I'm wearing. It's my demon. I got it off of Fashion Nova and it's called Party on P leather jumpsuit. So I'm gonna change real quick and then do my hair and we almost done. Okay, excuse me being like, you know, pretty freaking dark. I'm gonna be wearing My Way as my perfume for today. I got this from my mother as well. And I have my lotion so nothing wants to open. Okay. I'm gonna put some more lotion on my cheeks and then we're out the door because I might be running a tad late. But get into the beat again, get into the beat. Okay, I'm outside my dinner and TT looks good. It's giving like being meth, like Detroit type vibe. But yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy myself. And I'm very blessed to see 20. Very excited for this year and what's to come. And yeah, let me go before my reservation is canceled.
That's the type of brand that I want. Yeah, that's not your. That's your. That was not my fault. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nia. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. How old are you, Nia? 38. Dirty 30. Woo!
It's the 30. What are you doing?
Happy November.
Give it or give it.
Say cheese.
Okay, y'all, this is the end of my 20th birthday vlog. And I want to say thank you to everybody who wished me happy birthday. This birthday was really good, really special. And I'm excited for life.
Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up.